Hello, my friends. We're back. Welcome to my kitchen. Well, today is a special day. I hope you have seen the videos. We have here guacamole, salsa verde, and pico de gallo or salsa mexicana. Today I will teach you what Mexicans we do with the salsas. Besides open a bag of chips and dig in. We use them as a condiment, as a part of our food. So today we're gonna do chicken tacos. Well, not only chicken, potato, and chorizo. So we have here, Luigi, chorizo, potatoes, and chicken. So the first thing we're gonna do is to do the potatoes. I'll show you. Just come closer, Luigi. I'm gonna cut the potato lengthwise in three parts. Remember, lengthwise. Then half is cube the potato. This is a long process, and then we put the potatoes in water. I already have three potatoes here. We're gonna turn it on. Don't put the potato in boiling water. Just use cold water and boil it together. A little bit of salt, and wait. Don't cover it. Okay, we just wait. We have to wait. Medium heat. It's gonna take about 20 minutes. So, meanwhile, I'm gonna slice the chicken. I know in Mexico you can buy the chicken already sliced, but I remember in Canada, never found it. So, I think you have to go and buy the chicken breast. But it's very easy, I'll show you. A very sharp knife. It's kind of, you open it. Right in the middle of the chicken. Just to make it bigger. Just make slice little by little. So it gets more. It's open, open, and open. See? Easy. So I already did one here. So we have it here, and then salt and pepper. Pepper, salt, flip her over. Nice looking chicken. Salt and pepper. It was about 15 minutes in medium heat, so I put it to low heat. So the potatoes are cooked, but they're still firm. Okay, so we're gonna turn it off. We're gonna drain the water, but I'm gonna do something before I drain the water. I have this pan been on for a couple minutes. And then in this pan, we're gonna do the potatoes because they takes another 10 minutes. All right. So I think it's hot already. Remember, before you add the oil, the cooking oil, any cooking oil you like, whatever you have in house, it doesn't matter, even lard. So in a hot pan, pour cooking oil. About 1 finger deep. And then we're gonna drain the potatoes. We're gonna cook the potatoes there. Maybe it's a little bit too much oil. So now the chorizo goes in here. Low heat. I think it's a little bit too much of cooking oil. I'm gonna take a little bit. Now that I see the amount of potatoes, it's not that many. I put it to the chorizo. Okay. You can just wait, Luigi, there when the potatoes are ready. taking out the chicken from the fridge. This is the chicken. Okay, we have the potatoes here. And then when they're frying, the chorizo is gonna get cooked because it takes another 10 minutes for the chorizo. And then when they're fried, we're gonna add some onion. So we have half onion already sliced. I'll show you how to slice it. You cut the onion lengthwise. All right, and then you take the two ends off and go like this. Plumita. And then we have it. All right. So we're gonna put the chorizo next to the potatoes. Remember, low heat. And then I have this cast iron pan that is great for grilling. You have one, you should get it. Okay, guys. We're gonna wait 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I'm gonna put the chicken in here, and then the potato is gonna get. It takes about 10-15 minutes. So I may wait a little bit more than 5 minutes. All depends. It's a medium-high heat for the potatoes, not totally high. The chorizo is on low heat. It takes about 10-15 minutes to get cooked. And then when the potatoes are brown, we add salt, pepper, and we're gonna put the onions in the potatoes. And then when this is ready, because the chicken also takes about 10 minutes to get cooked, we're gonna put the chicken here. Hey guys, we're cooking storm. We're halfway through. Look at the potatoes. I already moved them around. They're getting brown, so they're getting ready. I also flipped the chorizo. So if you see it's getting cooked. Remember, chorizo takes a while too, low heat. And then I have a medium-high heat for the potatoes. When they're getting cooked, you can lower the heat a little bit. Then I'm gonna do salt. You want the potatoes salty, so be generous with the salt. Okay, the hot plate is ready, so we put a little bit of oil here. Then the chicken. We're ready. Everything is ready. Okay, so we have the potatoes here. I put the onions, flip them over. They're all cooked. They're very, very tasty looking. The chorizo, look, it's all cooked. Now the chicken is ready. We're gonna put the chicken right here on the cutting board. The pan is still on. And the important thing, tortillas. If you have a toaster oven, use the toaster oven for the tortillas. On high heat, about 5-10 minutes. How long do you think they were here? 7 minutes?
Something like that, yeah.
Okay, we have the tortillas. Hi, doggy. My doggy is on the way. But we have the tortillas here. So we have the chicken, let's say half. I'm gonna slice the chicken. for the tacos, all right? And it's better to slice it before you serve it because you don't want to waste food, okay? So I'm gonna put the chicken back in here into the frying pan, and then look, Lee, you can add some lime in here to the chicken. And then turn it off. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how we prepare the tacos in Mexico and how we use the salsas. I'm gonna make 3 tacos, okay? We can have 1 tortilla. You can make any combination you want. Let's take 1 chorizo and have it ready. So you have 1 chorizo here. Slice it at half, and then you can slice it again. Remember, don't serve a whole piece of chicken to each person. Slice everything and put it in the middle of the table so everybody can make their own tacos. The limit is gonna be a waste. So we have some chorizo here. Let's put it aside. Okay, now you can have any combination you want. Let's make the first taco. We can do potatoes. Look, we have potatoes here and chorizo. Potatoes and chorizo. With what? In this one, we're gonna put guacamole. Guacamole and salsa. Salsa verde. That is 1 taco. Then let's have another combination. We're gonna do chorizo again. Remember, don't make them too big. And some chicken. And in this one, we're gonna do pico de gallo. These are your Mexican tacos, guys. That's how we use the salsas for. I'm hungry, guys. Okay, let's try. Let's see. Roll the tortilla. Provechito. You want? You can have extra lime. I think I mentioned we put lime for everything. It's so good, guys. Any combination you like, you can put chicken, chorizo, potatoes, or just potatoes and pico de gallo. You know, this is so good. Well, guys, buen provecho. Enjoy your food. I hope you like these real Mexican tacos with potatoes, chorizo, chicken, guacamole, salsa verde, and pico de gallo. Awesome. It takes a while, but it's worth it. Trust me. Okay, guys. My name is Tona. Luigi behind the camera. Give us your likes. Give us your comments. Subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you back. That's it. Enjoy your food. Okay. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, this is going to my mouth.